Okay guys, in the previous tutorial we have seen how to create a series in Pandas. Okay, in this tutorial we will try to create a series with another method called scalar. So we can create a series with the help of a single scalar. Okay, so first we need to import a Pandas. So import Pandas as suppose PD. Okay, now we create a series with the help of a scalar. So scalar, first we will do the import because it's under process. You can see here the sign of star. When process is complete, the sign is convert star into 1. Okay, so just wait for this. Uh, okay, correct. You can see here 1. Now create a series with the help of scalar. We pass a single scalar. So as suppose variable name is scalar equal to, we call simple pd dot series and we pass here suppose 2.5, simple 2.5. Okay, now print this and pass here scalar. Now run. Okay, you can see the series is created with index 0 and scalar is 2.5. Okay, so if we need to create a series with scalar 2.5 and indexing more than 1, because here index is 0. Index 0 is first index. Okay, so for this we need to mention the index. So simply we first we copy this and paste here. Now we pass here uh, separated by comma index equal to square bracket, and suppose we pass here 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 indexing. Okay, in the last tutorial we have created with series with the help of list, and here we create a list with the help of a scalar. Now simply print this. LAR scalar. Now shift plus enter, and you can see here the index 1 2 3 up to 5 and the values are 2.5 in 5 times. So because series is a one dimension series created in one dimension form. Okay, and data is a two dimension as we have discussed in the last video. Okay, now now we can create a series with the help of dictionary. Okay, so we use with the help of dictionary method we can create a series which is another method. So how to create? Simple, we write dictionary, or in short DICT. Okay, equal to pd dot series, and we pass here in the curly braces. First we write suppose a, and we use a slice operator. Suppose a equal to 1 and comma b, with the help of slice operator suppose b assigned to 2 comma C, and slice operator used for suppose C equal to 3. So these are the indexing. Okay, and curly braces off. Now cause, well, another curly braces will be stopped. Okay, okay, now print this. So we pass here DICT dictionary and enter, shift plus enter. You can see the another series is created with the indexing of ABC and the values are 1, 2, 3. So you can create a series in different methods. Okay, and by default the indexing starts from 0, but if you want to indexing from the another number, suppose ABC, or indexing from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, so you can mention this index equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay, now we perform some basic mathematical operation on series. So if we want to access a particular value in a given series, for this we have a simple method. For first, suppose we need to create a series. Suppose name is S1 equal to PD dot series, and pass the value, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and now print this. Enter. You can see here the list is created. Now if we want to fetch a particular value, suppose 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, any value, for this we use a simple name. Suppose our series name is S1, and we use a square bracket and pass the index value for which we need to fetch. Okay, suppose we need to fetch the uh, 5 values, so corresponding index number is mentioned here. So suppose we need to the value of 4 index, so we pass here some simple 4 and then run. Okay, you can see here the the value of the index 4 has the value 5. Okay, similarly if we want to suppose if we want to fetch the value of index 0, so in the curly braces pass index 0 and run. You can see the 0 index has value 1. Similarly, you can fetch any value, if any value you want. Okay. Now, if you want to slice the series for suppose you need to slice from index 0 to 5 or 0 to 6, anything. So for this we use simple series name S1 and square bracket, and suppose we need to pass the value from index 0 to index 3. So here pass, we use a slice operator for this, for slicing. So we pass 0 and slice and 4, because 4 is a exclusive, 4 is not inclusive, but 4 is exclusive. So it means the result is from 0 to 3 only. Okay, and then we run. You can see here we have sliced the series from 0 to 3. Okay, similarly we can slice this any type of we mention any type of index. So suppose S1 and square bracket from index 3 to index 6 with slice operator, index 7, because 7 are exclusive, so print from 3 to 6 only, and then shift plus enter. So you can see here from 3 to 6 So with the help of slice operator, you can slice the series. Now, if you want to fetch a maximum or minimum value from the list, so simple, we have a max or min function. So suppose we need to find the maximum value in the list. So we use max function and square bracket and pass the series name S1. Simple, shoot plus enter. Okay, it is under process. Giving error. Which type of error you have to see here? The here object is not subscribed to. Okay. So for this, okay, because here we pass the S1 in square bracket. So for the function we use the simple braces, non round braces, not square brackets. So first we need to remove this and simply use S1 in the simple bracket and pass shift plus enter. You can see here the maximum value is 8 in our series. Similarly, you can find the minimum value with the help of min function. So in the min function, you pass S1, the series name, and shift plus enter. You can see here the minimum value is 1. Now, if you want to add two series, so for this we use simple addition operators. First, we call our S1 series here. S1, this is my S1 series, and we need to create another series. Suppose a name S2. S2 equal to PD dot series. PD dot series, and suppose 9, suppose 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, and comma 2 and comma 3, suppose this, okay, and now print S2, print S2. Okay, good. You can see here we have two series S1 and S2. Now we perform the simple mathematical operation. Suppose first addition. So S1 plus S2, and then and shift plus enter. You can see here the all entries are corresponding entries are added, and because S2 have a one less value as compared to the S1, so you can see here NaN. It in the index A we got NaN, not a number. NaN occur when two series have unequal data, because series S1 has 8 number of data and series S2 has 7 number of data. So the 8th position in the sum of S1 S2 got NaN. Okay. Now similarly you can perform the subtraction, multiplication and addition of two series similarly as addition. Okay. So I hope you all are got this, and if you like this, please hit like button. Thank you.